The competitive pricing software for WordPress and Woocommerce will reduce the required time of competitive pricing research. If you sell online, you know the challenges of doing competitive pricing research. You have to search for the product. Then you have to visit sites like Google Shopping, view all the pricing for competing sellers of the product or similar products to the one you are selling. You'll also have to visit sites like Amazon and eBay, as well as industry-specific sites like Home Depot. You will then somehow have to get that data into Excel, which there's no really good option for. You'll then have to take your cost and decide what kind of margin you want to include for that product. But as soon as you change the pricing of your products, all of your competitors could change theirs the next day. To do the competitive pricing research for one product could take anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes. 10 products then could take anywhere from 5 to 15 hours. With our competitive pricing software, you can do 10 products in under 5 minutes. Let's see how it works. The primary settings that we'll talk about in this video are how much you want your price to be the lowest by and what you want the minimum profit margin to be for that product. We'll come back out here to our dashboard, select 10 products, select an update option, and we'll be given an update message for each one of the products, letting us know the software is working. Now, while the software is working in the background, let's take a look at what's happening. Let's say our product's cost is $10, and we want a minimum profit margin of 10%. This would give us a minimum acceptable price of $11. Now let's say the lowest advertiser's price is $12, and we want to have the lowest price by 1%. This would give us a desired price of $11.88. This would make our minimum acceptable price of $11 less than our desired price. In this scenario, if our current price was $12.50, the software would change the price to $11.88, our desired price, which would give us the lowest price compared to all of our competitors. But let's say that the lowest advertiser's price is $10. If we wanted to be the lowest by 1%, this would give us a desired price of $9.90. This would make our minimum acceptable price of $11 greater than our desired price of $9.90. In this scenario, if our current price was $12.50, the product price would be dropped to $11. This would give us the most competitive price possible and still maintain the 10% minimum profit margin. Now let's take one last example. Our product cost is $10. We want a minimum profit margin of 10%, giving us a minimum acceptable price of $11. The lowest advertiser is priced at $12, and we want the lowest price by 1%. This gives us a desired price of $11.88. In this example, the minimum acceptable price is less than the desired price. But in this example, let's say that our current price is $9. In this scenario, the software would increase the price to $11.88, giving us the lowest price. But we have increased the price by $2.88, increased our profit margin 32%, while still being the lowest when compared to all competition. Now that it's been about 2 minutes, we can go back to our dashboard and click refresh. And the pricing has been updated. We see our price, our lowest acceptable price, which includes the 10% margin. We see the dollar profit amount for this product, our margin, product cost, and an ad rank of 3, which means for this particular product, we have the third lowest price. Case studies, users' overall conversion rates increased by 400%. Conversion rates for advertising went up 600% because with our many integrations, companies only have to advertise the products that they know they have the lowest price for.